If you're going to the trouble and expense of replacing an asphalt drive, it may not be a good idea to just pave over the old drive. If there were problems with grading or the base material beneath the old drive that caused it to fail in the first place, you're just throwing good money after bad. A well-packed clay or gravel base that is graded so that the water runs off of it will protect the investment you're making in the new driveway. This can be a very time-consuming process, and often the guys who do the best work will cost a little more because they'll spend the extra time it takes to do this part of the job right. After the surface is properly graded and compacted, the asphalt can begin going in place. While spreading the asphalt can also be done by machine, that's sometimes difficult at the close quarters of a residential driveway, so shovels, rakes, and some strong backs do the work of establishing a rough grade before a roller compacts the material into a smooth, flat surface. This kind of work is not only harder than tamping I was doing earlier, but it's also a lot more dangerous because this asphalt has to be incredibly hot in order to shape and form it. In fact, the roller that's packing this asphalt has water constantly running over the drum to cool the surface as it's compressed. Though the work is hot, it does go quickly, and because of that fact, asphalt is among the least expensive options for a driveway surface.